All right, welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose, and this is
Shelly.
And Bentley's inside,
Yep.
relaxing. We are in the truck, and we're heading to Lowe's for two reasons. One, we need a dishwasher. Our dishwasher broke. It broke twice before, and we decided we're just going to get a new one. And not anything so fancy, all these fancy buttons. On and off, that's all we need. It's simple. We got the one in mind, so we're just going to go there and get it. And I'm going to install it because I looked online for installation. It was $220 for installation, and for them to for parts or something like that. And then to take it out, the old one out, it was another $50. So I decided I'm going to do everything myself to start saving some money. So we're going to go pick it up. I'm going to bring it home, and I'm going to install it myself. And we are putting, what do they call planks?
Yeah.
There's two types. There's
Yeah.
vinyl
Yeah.
and something else. And we're going to get some wood planks, and I'm going to install wood planks all upstairs. You got anything, babe?
You might have to install the dishwasher today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do that first. Since I
Yeah.
have it, I'm going to
Yeah.
do that first. So without further ado, we'll see you at Lowe's.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Fly, eagles, fly, on the road to victory. Fly, eagles, fly, score a touchdown, 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high, and watch our eagles fly. Fly, eagles, fly, on the road to victory. E-A-T-L-E-S, Eagles!
Yo, we kicking off the year with a toast to the crew. Thank you for the vibes, all the love that you do. From Martin Luther King's dream, we rise and unite. President's Day, we conquer, yeah, we ready to fight. Every holiday's a milestone, reflect, reminisce. Memorial Day's power, we honor with a fist. With a Gonzo book, thank you for the views. From the start to the finish, this is so cool. Each holiday, we cherish every moment with you. Together through the seasons, this is what we do. Juneteenth, we celebrate freedom, breaking the chains. Independence Day, fireworks lighting up our veins. Labor Day, hustlers, we grind and never tired. Halloween costumes, got the spirit inspired. Election Day's wisdom, catch your voice loud and clear. Thanksgiving, gratitude, the family always here. So book, thank you for the views. From the start to the finish, this is so cool. Each holiday, we cherish every moment with you. Together through the seasons, this is what we do. So here's to the future. Let's rise to the call. With the Gonzo spirit, we'll step proud and tall.
In the quiet of the night, I hear your call. Every step you've taken, you gave your all. Through the storms and shadows, you stood so brave. With your heart on your sleeve, our lives you saved. For every tear you shed, every prayer you prayed, you paved the way for dreams we made. Thank you for your sacrifice, for the land we roam. Thank you for your service, for bringing us home. Thank you for our freedom, a gift so rare. Thank you for our kingdom, built on love and care. In the fields of gold and skies so blue, your legacy lives on in all we do. With every dawn, there's a price we pay. Your sacrifice shines bright, lighting our way. Thank you for your sacrifice for the land we roam. Thank you for your service, for bringing us home. Thank you for our freedom, a gift so rare. Thank you for our kingdom, built on love and care. In every heart, your spirit stays. Forever in our hearts, we'll weave your praise.
We are all about getting out and exploring what life has to offer. Our speed is not fast. We take our time, we will get there eventually. Embracing the journey, feeling so fine. Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo book. Chasing dreams and living bold, with stories waiting to be told. The Gonzo book, our guiding light in the darkness of the night. Adventure calls, we heed the sign. Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo book. Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo book. Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo book. Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo book.
In the quiet night, I find my peace. With every heartbeat, my doubt cease. Shadows fade, I step into light. Embracing my strength, ready to fight. I'm here and I'm soaring. Watch me take flight. So let it flow, let it flow. I won't hold back anymore. Let it flow, let it flow. I'm the one that they can ignore. Every whispered word that brought me down. Now I'm rising up, reclaiming my crown.
Lux
No
edition.
more silence,
Featuring
I'll break
Lowe.
free from chains. My heart ignited, I'll dance through the pain. Feel the power, let it ignite my soul. So let it flow, let it flow. I won't hold back anymore. Let it flow, let it flow. I'm the one that they can't ignore. In this rhythm, I find my way. The love I have is here to stay. In this rhythm, I find my way. The love I have is here to stay.
They could make a movie of your life, everything that you've been through. And I can't believe I get to call you my wife. From the day I met, even through the internet, I knew you were the one made just for me. And after Ruby Tuesday and our out of town day, you looked at me and proudly said, let's meet old and watch the kids grow. Make our love from pure gold. Travel around the whole world singing. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care for. I walk by the mirror saying, we were married on Christmas. Yeah. Shelly Boo and me against the world, but your body was missing. Something that was saved by your little girl.
Yeah, buddy.
She helped her mother
Family ship buddy.
helping and
Happy Valentine's Day! Yeah, you can't say I didn't get you know.
Bart.
Yeah. Your mama got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, mother. Appreciate it. Thanks, babe. Alright, as you can see, I installed the Frigidaire. Took me 2 days because it took a couple breaks. There's some things that they could do easier. Putting things where you can, get to, you know what I'm saying? And the legs, I couldn't get the legs to come out. They're so tight. So it'd be nice if there was a little, like a handle on it, you just twist on it or something. I think I've seen a few like that. Plastic where you can twist it. Or something to hold on to. Here it's just flat and it got too tight, I can't open it up. So I just put a board underneath it. So you like it, babe?
I love it.
Alright, so that's one project down. Next project is the floor upstairs. Alright, without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.